Hey there, would you also like to visualize your team's performance and see how each person has been performing? So we've got you covered. All you need to do is head on to the report section right here. And the second report right here shows the team performance report. See, if you click over here on it, you can search based on different KPIs. For example, I can select the team members. I'll select three people maybe. So these three. Further, you can select the KPIs from here. For example, I'm selecting these two. You can have it based on different stages as well. For example, I've also selected as hiring stage assigned. And then you can choose a time frame right from here. So for example, I am choosing all time. You can add a custom range as well and simply hit generate report. So once the report is generated, you will be able to see all these stats right here. Now, if you might have noticed, it will show the bar as well as the stats based on that. So for example, over here it shows the hiring stage assigned, and that means 97 people were assigned by Saurav at some point of time. Since reports are meant to show historical data, it's not necessary that right now there might be 97 people in the system who are assigned by Saurav, but yeah, at some point of time that might have existed, which is why it is showing up over here in the stats. Further, if I want to open any of these bars, it is actually quite clickable. The moment you open any bar, it will show up in somewhat this format. For example, I have opened candidates added by Sahil. And over here, I can scroll down and see all the candidates that have been added by this teammate of mine. As well as I can choose which columns I would like to make visible and which not right from here itself. Enable and disable them right from here, as well as I can rearrange them based on my preference. I can also choose to export these reports if I'd like to, being an admin of the system. I can also do an advanced search based on this, right from here itself. Now, going back to the reports section, you can also save a report while generating it. So that for future reference, you can actually head on to the saved reports and you can see them over time once again. So for example, this is the specific report that I generated. You can give it a name. Like this and simply save it. And in your saved reports, you will be able to see that particular section like this so that you can track your performance much better. And you can also select the reports based on your team members. And further, if you're on the business plan, you can also select it based on your teams. Similarly, over here as well, if you're a business plan user, in the team member section, if you scroll to the bottom, you'll find an option to select your teams like this. And you can also generate reports based on this. One last thing, if you scroll down, you will see the accumulated data right here based on whatever fields you have chosen, the KPIs, and you can export this report into a CSV file. That's pretty much it. If you still have any further questions, we'll be happy to assist you further.